Hi friends, my name is Miss Janeé and I'm a youth librarian with the Des Moines Public Library, and welcome to Virtual Storytime. Today's theme is a cat and mouse theme. So we'll read the story Mama Cat Has Three Kittens by Denise Fleming, and then we're going to play a fun flannel board game called Little Mouse, Little Mouse. So let's get started by doing our finger play. Open, shut them. Can you wiggle your fingers at home? Wonderful. Now shut your fingers. Make a tight fist and squeeze. We're going to get those muscles working in those fingers. Open, shut them. Let's open our fingers and let's say the words together. Are you ready? Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Perfect. Way to go, friends. Excellent. Our story today is called Mama Cat Has Three Kittens by Denise Fleming. Denise is the author, and the author writes the words. She is also the illustrator, and the illustrator draws or paints the pictures. Where do you see the three kittens? Where? Oh, down below here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Let's see what happens. Ooh. What do you see on this page? Flowers, that's right. And look, there's the tails of the cats. Let's see what they're doing. Mama Cat has 3 kittens, Fluffy, Skinny, and Boris. How do the cats look? That's right, they're happy. They feel happy too. They're sitting in the grass. What color is the grass? Green, that's right. When Mama Cat washes her paws, there she goes, washing her paws. What body part is she using to wash her paws? That's right, her tongue. She's using her tongue. Can you stick out your tongue? Can you do it? Oh my goodness, you guys are so smart. When Mama Cat washes her paws, Fluffy and Skinny wash their paws. Boris naps. So Boris is sleeping. And Fluffy and Skinny wash their paws. Ooh, what do you think these are? Those are snails, that's right. When Mama Cat walks the stone wall, look at that. What do you think the other cats are going to do? I think they're going to follow her, yeah. Hey, what's this tiny, tiny animal? A mouse, that's right. Let's see what happens. Fluffy and Skinny walk the stone wall. Boris naps. He's just sleeping. And there goes the cats walking the stone wall. But Boris naps. And there's our friend the mouse peeking through the grass. When Mama Cat sharpens her claws. Ooh, where is she stretching at and sharpening at? On a tree, that's right. I wonder what the other cats are going to do. What do you think? Those are some good guesses. Let's see. When Mama Cat sharpens her claws, Fluffy and Skinny sharpen their claws. Boris naps. Can you pretend you're sleeping? Oh, sorry. I just woke up. When Mama Cat chases leaves, there she goes, chasing the leaves. What do you think the other cats are going to do? Let's see. When Mama Cat chases leaves, Fluffy and Skinny chase leaves. Boris, what's he doing? Naps. That's right. Boris naps. All these other cats are having fun except for Boris. When Mama Cat digs in the sand, there she is digging in the sand. What is she using to dig in the sand? That's right, her paws. She's using her paws to dig in the sand. Fluffy and Skinny dig in the sand. Boris naps. He's just sleeping away. There he goes. When Mama Cat curls up to nap, Fluffy and Skinny curl up to nap. Hey, wait a minute. Okay, there's Fluffy and Skinny. They're taking a nap. Where is Boris? Do you see Boris? Let's find out. Let's turn the page. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's Boris. Is he asleep or awake? He's awake, that's right. Boris stretches, yawns, washes his paws. So there he is, stretching, washing his paws. And pounces. That means he leaps and jumps. How does Boris feel jumping and leaping? That's right, he's happy to jump and pounce. On Fluffy, Skinny, and Mama Cat. Look at that. He pounced on his family. And then Boris naps. There he is. Where is Boris napping? That's right, he's napping on top of Mama Cat. Can you say silly cat? Yeah. And that, boys and girls, is the end. You guys did a wonderful job. Way to go. Give that story a round of applause. Yay! Now, boys and girls, we have a very fun and special game for you today. This is one of Miss Janeé's favorite games to play when we have story times here at the library. This is called Little Mouse, Little Mouse. You can find the template for this game at jbrary.com. And right now I have in my hand this animal. What animal is this? That's right. This is our friend, the mouse. Mouse's other friend is behind one of these houses. So friends, what I need you to do is I need you to name a color for me. But do we know our colors of the houses? Let's see. Let's see. What color is this house? Brown, that's right. What about this house? Green, excellent. What color is this house? Black, that's right. And this one? Red, excellent. What color is this house? Yellow, awesome. And this house? Blue. What color is this house here? Pink, that's right. What color is this house? Purple. Wonderful. And last but not least, what color is this house here? That's right. This is orange. So your job, friends, is to yell a color. Let's see. You'll tell me what color house you'd like, and then I'm going to say the words, little mouse, are you in the yellow house? And then I'm going to peel off a house one by one to see if we can find the mouse, okay? All right. What color should we start with? You sure? All right, let's start with green. All right. Can you say the words with me? The chant goes like this. Little mouse, are you in the green house? Let's see. I don't see a mouse, do you? Yep, no mouse. What color should we try next? Oh, okay. You're saying pink? All right, let's try pink. Here we go. Let's say the chant together. Little mouse, are you in the pink house? Let's see. No mouse. Oh, man. Where could that mouse be? Which house? The red one? All right, we'll try red. Here we go. Say the words with me. Little mouse, are you in the red house? I don't know. Should I peel it off? Okay. No mouse. Where should we pick next? Which house? The orange one? This one? Okay. Say the words with me. Little mouse, are you in the orange house? Let's see. No mouse. Where could this mouse be? The blue one? All right, we'll try blue. Here we go. Little mouse, are you in the blue house? Oh, my goodness, where could this mouse be? What color should we try next? Oh my goodness, you guys are all shouting at once. Let me see. Brown? Okay, we'll try brown. Here we go. Little mouse, are you in the brown house? Oh, I don't know where this mouse could be. How many houses do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Which color house should we choose? The purple one? All right, we'll try purple. Little mouse, are you in the purple house? Oh, okay, the mouse wasn't in the purple house. So how many houses do we have left? 2. That's right, we have 2 houses left. Should we try the yellow house or the black house? The black house? Okay, let's say it together. Little mouse, are you in the black house? Oh man, I hope this mouse is here. So, where could this mouse be? Oh, you think it's the yellow house? Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Say it with me. Little mouse, are you in the yellow house? You know, I don't know if this mouse is going to be here. I don't think he... Is that the mouse? Boys and girls, we found the mouse. found the mouse. And the mouse was in the yellow house. Way to go, friends. Clap your hands. You did it. Parents, this is a wonderful game to teach your child about colors. So if you have different types of construction paper at home in different colors, you can just draw the house, cut them out, and draw a little mouse. And you can play this game at home with your child to help reinforce colors. So this is a fun game we like to play at the library, and I hope it's fun for your child too. Now we're going to close our story time with our goodbye song, Skinnamarink Dink. All right, let's put our hands together like this, and let's sing the words together. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Skinnamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skinnamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Awesome. You guys did wonderful. Way to go, friends. We'll see you next time.